In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money with ClickBank for beginners. This is a tutorial for those who really want to make money online as an affiliate marketer. Now, I don't want this video to be too long. This is why you should listen to me. You should follow step by step. And guys, I just decided to show you some results. Yeah, some earning from ClickBank to tell you that ClickBank is for real and you can make money doing affiliate marketing. So guys, can you see this? Can you see the earning? Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, can you see it? Can you see the amount? Yeah, you can make money with ClickBank. Let me try and zoom back. Okay guys, now what is ClickBank? ClickBank is the biggest affiliate network in the world. With it, it has a two category, that's the vendor and the affiliate. And I believe what you are more interested in is affiliate. I'm an affiliate to ClickBank, and this is why I'm having some of these earnings. That's I get paid for it. I get paid the commission. So whenever I make a sale, I get paid literally. As you can see guys, here are some results from my recent earning. Like today, now today is March 24, 2020, and as you can see, I've gotten you can see here $104.32. So guys, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is the biggest affiliate network in the world that offers digital products. Though they have some physical products, but the physical products are not that much. The ones that are much are digital. And I believe you want to make money with ClickBank and you want to drive traffic to your affiliate links. So in case you are a beginner to ClickBank, this video is for you. In case you want to make money with ClickBank, this video is for you. And in case you want to learn how to drive traffic to your affiliate link, this video is also for you. So make sure you watch it to the end, even as I show you the secret method. I don't want to waste time, so we're gonna be, once you log in, if you've not signed up, just go and sign up for ClickBank. And once you log into ClickBank, you'll be directed to your back office. You'll be directed to your back office so that you'll be able to generate your affiliate link to promote that will give you these sales. Okay, all you need to do guys is to go to a marketplace. Go to your marketplace. Once you click login, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Then there are a variety of offers that you need to choose from. That's categories. But one thing you must understand guys, what are the offers that you need to promote? You should think of promoting health, wealth, and relationship. Did you get that? Health, wealth, and relationship. These are the three basic niches, that major niches that can earn you money. Actually, I'm promoting the wealth niche, and at times I do the weight loss niche. So guys, if you want to really make money, I think you should go for either health, health and fitness. Where is it? Health, and fitness. Then or e-business and e-marketing. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using health and fitness. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, let's assume that we are promoting beauty products. That's there are people who want to be beautiful online. We're just using this for an example guys. You can use any niche. You can decide to use any other niche, but for the purpose of this video, let's choose beauty. And guys, once you promote this offer, for a sale, initial sale is $72.34 for initial sale. And this gravity is too low. So let's try and search by gravity. What is gravity? Gravity is, it basically tell you how people are really making money. It seems that beauty niche, beauty product, the gravity is very low, but let's just go with that for now. But guys, if you are promoting ClickBank offers, make sure that you have a gravity. You make sure that the gravity here is up to like 50, more than 50 gravity. Hope you understand. I know you are more interested on driving traffic to your website. So let me show you. Now click on promote. Once you click on promote, you generate uplink. This tracking ID, let's assume that we're doing email marketing. Generate uplink. This is your affiliate link. Then you go to a URL shortener called bit.ly. Go there and shorten your URL. Okay guys, there's a landing page below. Builder is called get response, though it's not compulsory for this tutorial. You can use free landing page builder like weebly.com or MailChimp. Okay, but guys, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using get response. There's a 30-day trial below. You can get it if you wish to. Okay, sorry guys. I'm trying to change the color. Okay, how, remember, beauty is inevitable. Remember guys, remember we are promoting inevitable. Remember guys, we are promoting a beauty product. So if it is weight loss, you create a landing page that is around weight loss. So let's assume that this is it. Then after creating it, you type in some things about it here. Let's copy and paste. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. Do you get it? Paste. Let's change the color to black. Let's zoom. Okay, so basically I believe you get the idea. So let's create a button, and this button will be our affiliate link. Copy the link, come here and paste it here, and boom, then can change it to click here. So once they click this link and buys, you get paid on ClickBank. Okay, hope you get it. So guys, let me show you the secret method I promise you. Make sure that you follow up. This secret method is insane. Now go to Google and let's say you are promoting, okay, how to become beautiful overnight. Now I have an extension keyword called keywords everywhere. This is it. That's why I'm seeing some of these keywords here, so you can go download them. Just copy everything, copy. Once you copy, then you go to the email software. The link is in the video description. You can check it out, the software. Now now guys, this is the sorry this is the email software. So if you're able to get the email software, once you install it, you come here, enter keywords. Guys, when you buy this, or after you buy the software, the link is in the video description. Once you get the software, you won't see things like this. You will see more than the email service providers that are very many. So just all you need to just remove that, delete everything, and type in gmail.com, yahoo.com, aol.com, and hotmail.com. Now that keywords that we just copied here, over here, all you need to do is to come here and paste. Just have to paste. That's control V, paste, then start. Click on start. If you want to include phone numbers, you can, but for the purpose of this video, we will not. Then make sure you change this to 1 second. As you can see, guys, do you like it? So this is basically how you can make money promoting ClickBank products. uh Once you are able to can you see it's counting? This is how you can keep this running for hours. You can keep this running. I can leave this software running now and be doing other things, be watching movies and other things. Okay, that can you see this is counting? Can you see? Are you seeing this? So basically, can you see this, guys? These are customer emails. That's as those people who have searched in how to get beautiful, how do I make my skin smooth, and and so forth. Depend on your niche. So if it is weight loss, you just make sure you gather keywords. As you can see, you can gather up to 50,000 keywords and paste in this software. Make sure that you gather the keywords and paste it, then click on start, and it will begin to generate. It will begin to generate uh these emails. Can you see this? So all you need to do, once you are done, you click I think we should be done for now. You click export. Export. Once you click export, you can save it. As you can see, this Walmart gift card is 725 leads, and the rest you can just save it with beauty, beauty, beauty. So guys, I'm not going to save this. Okay, let me save it. Beauty. As you can see, saved, and it's still counting. Can you see this, guys? It's still counting. uh uh Saved successfully. Successfully. That's, can you see these two keywords? So as many who have typed in how to be beautiful, become, can you see this, becoming beautiful? These are those who are interested in being beautiful. These are their emails that you can promote to. You can send your affiliate links to, so that when they buy, you get paid here in ClickBank. Okay, guys, I hope that this video helped you a lot. If it helped, make sure you click the subscribe button and also the bell notification icon to receive updates whenever I upload new videos. So thank you very much, guys. Make sure you check the links below. The software link is in this video description. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.